The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2. B0 is a formidable contender in the burgeoning e-bike market, boasting impressive specifications and features that cater to both commuting and recreational cycling. With a peak motor power of 1400 W, this electric bike stands out for its performance and versatility, making it a desirable option for both urban dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the most significant selling points of the Ranger 2. B0 is its powerful motor. The peak 1400 W motor provides a robust and dynamic riding experience, allowing the bike to reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour with ease. This makes it suitable for those who wish to tackle various terrains, whether you're navigating city streets or climbing hills. The torque delivered by the motor is notably high, enabling quick acceleration when needed, which is particularly useful in urban settings where stop-and-go traffic is common. The bike's design takes comfort into account, featuring a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that balances both durability and lightweight construction. The overall build quality feels solid, providing a sense of security whether you're cruising on flat roads or traversing rugged trails. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars contribute to a comfortable riding position, which is essential for longer rides. Riders of different heights can easily find an optimal fit, enhancing the overall riding experience. The Ranger 2. B0 is equipped with a 48V20L lithium battery, which is commendable for its longevity. On a full charge, the bike can cover a distance of up to 40 miles in electric mode alone and even further if you choose to pedal. This impressive range makes it an excellent choice for commuters who require a reliable mode of transportation that can handle daily round trips without the constant need for recharging. Additionally, the battery is removable, allowing for convenient charging at home or in the office. Another noteworthy feature is the bike's dual suspension system, which significantly enhances ride quality. The front suspension fork and rear suspension absorb shocks from uneven surfaces, making it enjoyable to ride on both asphalt and off-road trails. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who frequently ride on bumpy paths or during inclement weather. The puncture-resistant tires also add an extra layer of comfort and safety, ensuring that riders can navigate various conditions without worrying about flats. The Ranger 2. B0 is further enhanced by its intuitive control panel, which displays essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. This digital display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, ensuring that you can keep track of your ride without hassle. The bike also features multiple pedal assist modes, allowing riders to choose their desired level of assistance based on their preferences and riding conditions. This adaptability is a significant advantage, as it allows for energy conservation during longer rides. Safety features are also handled well on the Ranger 2. B0, the bike is equipped with front and rear LED lights, which enhance visibility during low-light conditions. Additionally, the mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, which is crucial for both urban riding and off-road adventures. Riders can trust that they will have the stopping force required to navigate traffic or sudden obstacles effectively. In terms of aesthetics, the Heybike Ranger 2. B0 sports a sleek design that appeals to a broad audience. It is available in several color options, allowing riders to choose a bike that suits their personal style. The modern look combined with practical features creates an appealing package that stands out on the market. However, like any product, the Ranger 2. B0 is not without its drawbacks. One potential downside is the weight of the bike. At around 70 pounds, it may be a bit cumbersome for some riders, particularly when lifting or carrying it. Additionally, while the bike is designed for a variety of terrains, it may not perform as optimally as specialized mountain bikes in very rugged conditions. Another consideration is the price point. While the Ranger 2. B0 offers excellent value for the features and performance it provides, it may still be on the higher end for some budgets. However, given its capabilities, many will find that the investment